Good day, traders. Today I just want to be very quick. Today being 28th of July 2026. I just want to be very brief. Today is Tuesday, 28th July 2026. So I just want to be as brief as possible. I want to just show us a breakdown on gold. I was talking about some of the fundamental reasons why the gold bought, and later on we saw the gold selling. So I was part of the movement of that sell. So let's just go straight to chart. I don't want to bother us this night, and I'll be placing my video either below, my screenshot of the trade either below or somewhere around the video. You're going to see that. All right, this is the trade. This place where I placed this gun box was I was expecting that the market, when it gets there, I'll be waiting for some kind of a reaction. So it did use there as some kind of a breaker and all that. But as at on Friday, when I was telling us about this level, that I'm looking at that block, probably that the market is going to hold there, because it was on Friday. The market was on Friday. Do you understand? So all the institutions are trying to look for a way to see how the market, they are going to close their order for that Friday, because it's Friday. Every market institutions, as far as the Forex community is concerned, they are looking for a way to see how they are going to close their positions. Yes, in respect to the Forex industry, every institution, every participant, the forces in the market are ensuring that they close up their position that Friday. So they won't have much momentum to drive price to a certain high. Because of what? They are trying to wrap up their order for the week. So the market used this level as some kind of a retracement, a level to react from and create some kind of a sell before, when on Monday, when the market got to Monday, we saw the big push happen. We saw after this big massive breakdown came, we saw this push up here to that zone, and it came down. So as for Friday, this zone became valid for this sell, and then it later bought up on Monday, Sunday stroke Monday, morning, Sunday midnight, Monday, whatever, it opened to that point, run up to this level. If I open that level, you will see what that level is on the 4 hours. That's an 4-hour order block. And looking at the scene, there was the level where I was telling you that the market got to, sorry, at this side, this red zone. Just go to my previous video, you will see what I pinpointed there. That was where the market reacted from, slightly, that price level. Are you seeing that? 4165.58. So that's where the market reacted from, and then did a change of character. If you look at it closely, I don't want this video to be long, and was consolidating and broke this level. Are you seeing it? So we are waiting for some kind of a pullback around any level, any institutional reference point between this leg. So I was considering this level because it was on Friday. I was looking for something that would be more quick. So that was why this sell hold to a point. Then the market, as of Monday, the market was making a run up to that order block here. So that's how I ran up to this order block, 4 hours order block. If you go to the 4 hours, we are going to see, let's go to 4 hours and see it. Sorry, let's go to the 4 hours. This is the 4 hours chart. Are we seeing the block now? Are we seeing it? So this is the block here. I would have loved to write other block, but let's move further. So with that being said, our goal is still, the sell is still intact. I'm still targeting the down level. The sell is still very intact, but I'm working with precision this time. I want to ensure that I'm taking out my profit from different level target. I don't want to swing it because of some fundamentals may come up due to the geopolitical tensions and all that is going on now. Is making the market, certain uncertainties are coming up and some volatility are kicking in. So you just need to trade with caution. All right, so as at that day, the market created, let me remove this line. I was using it for something. So it created, when it got to that other block, it just did some sort of correction, compression, and broke down. And then it came up, broke further down. And then that's how it did and went down. But where did it reacted to? After this leg, after this massive drop down here, after the market structure shift, this is the shift leg. Then we were waiting for a correction. That's how it corrected up to that point, and then before it started to drop down. So this point was the level I target. I'm going to drop the video. I'm going to, sorry, I said the video. I'm going to drop the screenshot. I'm going to be dropping the screenshot. I'm going to be dropping the screenshot so that we can see to that this trade was very valid. And then as it broke down, the next level I look out for was this level FVG that was here. That was a reasonable point. Looking forward to this order block, this zone. So that was where I was targeting. If you go to the smaller time frame, you will see more reasons to that. So this level became a key point for me, that the price rocked from, came back to it, and then started to shut down. So that was the level I was actually anticipating for. Is the market still doing great? Still doing great. It's just few times to this point here, but the market was really doing great. And somebody was telling me that that GBP was going to buy, that is going to buy GBP, and I was seeing some point. I said, to some point, I don't know. Let me even check to see that guy, because during the day I saw that it was actually trying to buy, and then it began to sell. So the person was, I was telling the person, if it was going to buy, it's correct to a point, because after this breakdown here, it's correct to a point, but still wrong. I was saying after this breakdown here, what was the next level we are thinking of? All these other units, you see this whole leg price down here, this was the break. All these ones were just compression. So I'm waiting for something that can attack this high. So this is the only FVG, this is the FVG that is up here, that is very valid for it to shut it down. So that's the level I'm looking out on the 1 hour. I'm just looking at this level on the 1 hour. So I said, if it's that level that the person is actually looking at, then it might be right. So I'm looking forward to see if it will get there. If it doesn't get there, nothing spoil. So that's the level I'm looking out for. Because if you really go to the dollar strength itself, it's just showing some crazy things. The level I was targeting for it to hit, it has already gotten to the level. Started pretty forecasting this thing since. Are you seeing my annotation? I've been forecasting this thing. When I get to details of my lessons, I will start showing why I'm putting certain things, why I'm putting this and that. For now, why I'm marking it red, why I'm marking it for now, I'm just showing us my perceptions about the market. So we might have a little much of correction, or the trade can continue moving up. So that's to that retracement on GBP. So this is just it for now. I'm kind of feeling sleepy, but let me just come up and do this one quickly. So we might expect either more of two up, because I'm kind of suspecting something, though with the way the currency, the technical bias is focusing itself. I'm suspecting something of this. I'm suspecting this, and then I'm suspecting this and allowing this other level to be a liquidity. I think this first pullback, and then so this can be a liquidity point where it will come down and then start to sell more. So we are hoping to see, that's what I'm expecting. But from tomorrow, I will get to know my expectation. Tomorrow being Wednesday, I'll get to know how far about it. So thank you guys. Just let me share this one up front for us to see. Thank you so much, Mom. I'm really feeling sleepy. I want to go and sleep right now. Good night. Thank you guys. This is JAD-FX. Continue to follow, subscribe, and like, and turn on the notification bell for you to be getting more content like this. Thank you. I just share my view on the market, and to God be the glory. All right. Thank you.